Hi, David Pingree for Works Connection. Style and function, that's what they do best here at Works Connection. With this rotating bar clamp, the front brake is allowed to pivot in a crash and keep the front brake from breaking off or bending. Just another way they're innovating style and meshing it together with function. Works Connection's rotating bar clamps are made from CNC'd 6061 T6 aluminum. They incorporate a nylon sleeve to allow the brake assembly to rotate upon impact. They're available in blue, red, black, silver, or orange anodized colors, and they're made in the USA. Available at worksconnection.com.